Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Nissan Juke. Despite their diminutive size, small SUVs have been hugely popular, with the original Nissan Juke being one of the most prominent choices. Thing is, it had a number of flaws that made it hard to recommend. Plus, numerous rivals arrived during its tenure, such as the Seat Arana that beat the Juke in almost all areas. This latest Juke, however, is a huge improvement over what went before and can be had for 1,000 less than a brand new one. There's nothing overly complicated regarding engines because there's only one. A turbocharged 3-cylinder 1.0-liter petrol. To begin with, it had 115 bhp, but this was dropped to 112 bhp for 2021 onward. Is to improve emissions. The choice of a 6-speed manual or 7-speed dual clutch automatic is available. Thankfully, the trim level choices are a little more diverse. Entry-level Vija has a basic infotainment system comprising of DAB, radio and Bluetooth phone connectivity, but at least LED headlights are standard, as is lane keep assistance and traffic sign recognition. Certain is probably a better. Santa is probably a better bet with smart-looking 17-in alloys and 8-in infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and a rear-view camera. Mid-range and connect steps things up with the sat-nav, climate control and keyless entry and start. Top tier Tecna and Tecna Plus both have 19-in alloys and 360 degrees camera system, blind spot monitoring, the rear cross traffic alert, heated front seats, and Bose sound system. The only difference between them is that the Tecna Plus has two-tone paint. Performance is similar to most rivals' 1.0-liter engines, but many of those set competitors also offers a greater choice of more powerful alternatives. Still, the handling is safe and sure-footed. Even if the steering could be a little quicker or more precise, stick with smaller 17-in alloys in order to have a more comfortable time, because the bigger 19-in wheels bring out the worst in its busy ride, which isn't a path on the more compliant Skoda Kamiq. Wind and road noise are also greater than you'll find in Volkswagen T-Roc. Inside, the driving position is easy to set right, and the interior materials, especially on the higher-end trims, are pleasingly plush with swish features including Alcantara trim on the dashboard and seats, gloss black plastics and chrome-rimmed air vents. There's a decent driving position thanks to a steering wheel that now can be adjusted both in and out, as well as up and down. Leg and headroom are fine for those in the front, but headroom is merely sufficient in the back for tall people. They may have to duck to get in due to the sloping roofline. Weirdly, the boot is almost as big as that of the Nissan Qashqai, but a Kamiq T-Roc and even the Ford Puma beat the Juke for luggage capacity. If you're interested in finding a used Juke or any of the other small SUVs mentioned here, head over to the used car buying pages to find lots of cars listed for sale. With only one engine offered, the only difference in terms of fuel economy comes if you go for a manual or automatic. The manual is best with the combined figure of 47.9 mpg, while the auto drops this back to 44.1 mpg. All examples will be charged the current flat rate fee for annual car tax. To find out more about the current road tax costs, click here. No Nissan Juke of this generation is old enough yet to qualify for the cheaper servicing that the brand offers for cars over 5 years of age, but you can set up a service plan online to help spread the cost of maintenance. Plans vary between 2 to 4 years and cost £19.99 per month for petrol models. Price is correct at time of writing. The Juke sits in the insurance groups for 13 or 14 depending on trim. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.